Starting around the 19th of June 2023, Velo by and large is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.57% in truly most recent 60 minutes. Really, as opposed to prevalent thinking, Velo really has a truly complete market cap of $20,668,556 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,638,902, showing how Velo by and large has an especially all-out market cap of $20,668,556 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,638,902, which in a real sense is very huge. This especially makes Velo's sort of positioning at 559 in the digital currency market, which for the most part is very critical, in the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Velo generally be genuinely worth in 2023 in every way that really matters? In opposition to prevalent thinking, is Velo a wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023? Which by and large is very huge. Will Velo cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking high, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking? These generally are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, which generally is very huge. Velo value expectation 2023 as per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Velo cost generally is supposed to fundamentally cross an especially normal value level of $0. The normal extremely least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the really current year ought to basically be $0, showing how these explicitly are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, which especially is very critical. Besides, Velo can basically arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Velo value conjecture June 2023. The normal cost of Velo could essentially go to $0 the finish of June 2023, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo could basically be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $0, the truly least expected cost of $0. Velo value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Velo for the most part is supposed to basically be at around a very least of $0 a by and large significant manner. Velo cost can in every practical sense arrive at a very limit of $0, the sort of typical cost of $0 USD. Velo value estimate August 2023. The Velo cost for August 2023 may by and large arrive at a sort of least worth of $0. The greatest determined cost in a real sense is around $0, which truly is very critical. The by and large normal cost for Velo for the most part is essentially anticipated to for the most part reach $0 August 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo value expectation September 2023. Velo cost generally is supposed to explicitly reach between $0 September 2023, while the kind of typical cost of Velo for the September stays around $0 value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Velo explicitly is supposed to generally be at around a sort of least of $0 in unobtrusive manner. Velo cost can really arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0, the extremely normal cost of $0 USD. Or so they explicitly thought. Velo value estimate November 2023. The normal cost of Velo could basically go to $0 the finish of November 2023 in a significant manner. Velo could essentially be exchanging around in every practical sense. Greatest worth of $0, the all things considered. Least expected cost of $0. By and large further appearance how Velo could truly be exchanging around a fundamentally most extreme worth of $0, the all things considered. Least expected cost of $0 in unpretentious manner. Velo value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Velo for the most part is gauged to by and large be at around an exceptionally least worth of $0, in spite of mainstream thinking. The Velo value worth can arrive at a really limit of $0, the especially normal exchanging worth of $0 USD, which most certainly is very huge. Velo essentially passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been by and large diminished by 1.62% in its most certainly current worth, which really is very huge. Assuming we really look at the genuinely current market cap of the Velo with yesterday, you can for the most part see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. From most recent 7 days, the Velo by and large was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.5%, which basically is genuinely huge. Velo explicitly has shown most areas of strength for certainly potential recently, and this could be especially great chance to essentially dive right in and contribute, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo basically diminished by 56.323%, dispensing with an incredible sort of typical amount of $0 its really current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a sort of good in a real sense purchase an open door for sort of speedy speculation, which really is very huge. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 1.77%, and the cost especially flowed from a base in every practical sense. Normal cost of $0 for the most part, greatest kind of normal cost of $0, the truly beyond 90 days. Showing that Velo value conjecture November 2023, the especially normal cost of Velo could especially go to $0 the finish of November 2023, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. In certainly most recent 4 months, Velo for the most part has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting that Velo has in every practical sense all-out market cap of $20,668,556 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,638,902, showing how Velo explicitly has a by and large complete market cap of $20,668,556 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,638,902 in an unobtrusive manner. Subsequently, we especially feel that comparative pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period, which essentially is genuinely huge, as per the barely the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Velo generally is expanded from 4 months, showing the way that Velo cost can especially arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $0, the very normal cost of $0 USD, or so they basically thought. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, showing the way that this really makes Velo sort of positioning at 559 in the digital currency market, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The coin is up by 23.73% with the fundamentally greatest truly normal cost of the coin essentially was around $0. The genuinely least typical cost of for the most part was around $0 beyond 4 months. Velo value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will sort of be Velo kind of worth in 2023? The Velo cost in a real sense is determined to really arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $0, fundamentally least cost of $0 the finish of 2023 in a for the most part significant manner. Does Velo basically have a future, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking? As far as value, Velo most certainly has an extraordinary exceptionally potential to arrive at new levels, showing that Velo value figure August 2023. The Velo cost for August 2023 may especially arrive at a truly least worth of $0. The kind of greatest gauge cost truly is around $0, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. It explicitly is estimate that Velo will increment in esteem in a really significant way, as indicated by beautiful explicit specialists and business examiners. Velo can fundamentally stir things up around town. All expectations and purposes greatest cost of 56 cents till 2030. Further appearance how as per unmistakable specialists and business experts, Velo can generally stir things up around town. The greatest cost of 56 cents till